We believe good Japanese food should be available everywhere, not just in Bangkok. Our mission is to serve fresh, premium, and affordable Japanese food to everyone in Thailand with our inexpensive all-you-can-eat buffet. We wanted to open the new outlet in the provinces because the demand is high and there is less competition. But we didn't have IT knowledge for the backend. In the past, we have no IT team and we would pay a vendor to set up our POS system on the physical server, and this was time consuming.
When we went in and talked to Oshinei, we found out right away that the biggest challenge is they aren't able to expand or scale their business. A lot of their operation is outsourced, so that is a key issue, that they can't drill down to find the right fit or the right solution in the market to be able to scale or expand. As one of the two VMware Cloud verified partners in Thailand, we're able to provide cloud solution that is stable, scalable, and affordable for Oshinei to support their growth expansions. Given our experience and expertise in the cloud solution, we almost act as their in-house cloud expert, and to lay that strong foundation to move their POS system up to cloud. With our managed service, our customers can go to sleep at night and trust us to keep their system up and running all the time.
Cloud SM have a very professional team and they support us very well. Nowadays, when we are opening a new outlet, we just let Cloud SM know and they will take care of the back end. In the past, it would take us 3 months to set up a physical server, but now it takes only 48 hours in the cloud. Our expenses also went down by 35% since we no longer need to buy hardware or maintain them. Now that the POS system is in the cloud, it's become more straightforward to integrate new apps for better customer experience. For example, we have introduced an e-ordering apps into the restaurant so that our customer can easily make and check their orders. Because our IT is in the expert hands, we now can focus on expanding our business. VMware and Cloud SM have enabled us to grow from 3 outlets to 18 in just 3 years. We want to expand to all 76 provinces in the next 5 years, and we know we can do it with this recipe for success.